All right, so for the dumbbell floor press, you're lying on your back on the ground. This is already going to shorten the range of motion of any sort of press. So normally if you're pressing on a bench, your elbows would go further down beyond your torso because there's nothing there to stop them. For the floor is actually going to stop them. So what you're gonna wanna do is squeeze your glutes and engage your scapula, squeeze your scapular muscles or shoulder blades together while you keep your chest nice and proud, and then you're gonna come all the way, elbows touching the ground, and then press all the way up until those dumbbells are either right, just far apart from each other, about an inch, or tapping. So with the dumbbell floor press regression, obviously the first move you can make is go lighter. It is sort of weird to floor press with no weight at all, so hopefully you have a really light pair of, or at least a lighter pair of dumbbells. So you go lighter first, then you're gonna reduce the distance that you move in that floor press. So already the floor press is reduced, so you're just not gonna press it all the way out, and then you're gonna slow it down. So when you're ready to progress, or you need to progress the dumbbell floor press, the first thing that you're gonna do is add speed. Speed with quality movement. If you need to progress even more, then you're gonna add distance. So you can't really add distance with the floor press. So something you can do is you can actually turn so your thumbs are out and your palms are in. It's kind of like an Arnold press. But if that's too confusing and it's adding too much, then you can always just add load for your final progression.